now. And hello everyone. I had just done one of my missions that I just finished. The freaking mission that was giving me so much dang trouble. Okay, I'm just gonna start over because I don't know, maybe I'll have some spaz out moments, but I had just done a mission where I was having so much trouble. I'll probably have like a little bit of a montage of things that happen or whatnot, but I had so much trouble with it, and then I ran out of space in my hard drive and it didn't record me finishing it. So I'm going to finish it now, hopefully very fast and very quickly. I learned how to get my scythe and all my other weapons, and I've been kicking the crap out of them with my scythe because it's like one of the strongest weapons in the game. So now, kill these guys. Wait for this guy to come up. Kill him. Jump up. Grab this. Uh-oh. You're gonna turn around, aren't you? No, you're not. No, good. You're dead. Shoot that bottle out. Grab this shotgun. Grab this shotgun. Okay. Knock on the door. Oh, crap. Okay. Should be good for right now. Should be good. I'm doing very well. I am doing very, very well right now. Turn off the lights. Okay. You won't give me any trouble. Okay, maybe you will. Okay. Fudge me! Why did I waste all my bullets? Because I am going to need my bullets for when I shoot these guys' bottles. Because these guys' souls, I don't know how much I'm gonna show of my last endeavor. But there we go. Alright, so I'm not sure how much I'll show of my last endeavor. You know what? I'll make those two separate videos. I'll make the other one maybe a fail video or something. I don't know. Or maybe I don't know. Because I am kind of pressed for time right now. I am trying to get this out for tomorrow. And I still have things to do, so I'll see what I can do right now. Okay, so scythe. Housekeeping. But yeah, one of the main reasons why I haven't done, any, like, hold on. Look here, open the safe, yeah, 3 envelope, blah, 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 envelope that contains the day. Then an envelope contains the address near the docks, if it may be important. Okay. This should be a freaking 5-star. But, the reason why I haven't really had, like, a lot of the games like these or like Hyper Life Drifter or so on is because those games I kind of like editing to a little bit better, the higher standard. Really, only 2 stars for all that. Really? Okay, screw you then. I like to edit them to a little bit more of a quote-unquote higher standard than I usually do for some games, like maybe Agario and not. And so, I don't really like trying to throw those out very quickly. Oop. Alright. Well, either way. I'm not sure how long I do, but I like editing those a little bit better. So that's kind of why I haven't been doing it so much, because I like to keep it updated. I like to keep things, I like to have those edited very well, or somewhat well, to my standards at least. Somewhat well, and so like I don't want to just rush them out like crazy. Like Hyper Light Drifter is a long game. I like playing those in long sessions, so that takes a little bit longer to go in there to cut in and out, see what I'm going to keep and what I'm not. That's why I haven't been doing so many bigger games like these. So I'm sorry for that. I do plan to continue BioShock Infinite, and hopefully BioShock 2 as well. And also I do plan to do a regular show and so on. But either way, candles have spotted vampires coming and going industrial district. The same address I found in the safe. I'll find out what they're doing. Suddenly the flames speak. The goals of the undead are always the same. Some vampires will have phylacteries in difficult places and will have to be killed multiple times. Okay. Cat, I thought you could use a companionship. Smoke the fireplace. Life is not meant to be spent alone. Can I play with the cat? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. This is not gonna end well. Uh-oh. Oh. Nope. Nope. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Where's your at? Ah, you would. You suck. What did that do? Are you serious? Where's that guy? Where'd that guy go? What happens to the other dude? Oh, this is not gonna end well, is it? Okay, God. Uh-oh. Crap, I was supposed to grab that gun. How do I break that? It's some bull. Uh-oh. Grab this gun. Turn off the lights. Wrong thing! I'm gonna keep you off. What does that do? Oh, those open up the vents. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, that's how I get it. Okay. How do I get in there? Oh, wait. The only way in there is through a vent up there. But how do I get up there? Also, are there any doors here? No. So how did they jump down through here to burn that ash, and then okay. I know. I think gravity still killed me, doesn't it? I thought gravity hurt me. Wait. Oh. Oh. Okay. 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 I get you. I get you now. Kind of. Don't turn around, okay? Hi there. I probably should have saved that for, you know, killing, like, the other guys. But screw it. I'm going in with my scythe. Okay. Here. Good thing I remembered you were there. Okay. I think that is all of them. So let me just destroy the ash, and this has actually gone pretty dang well. I don't know, maybe you're supposed to be a lot more stealthier. Maybe that's how you get more stars. Oh, okay, good. Don't die on me. Don't die on me, please, 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 please. Okay, good. Oh. There we go. Open the door. And teleport in through here. Open that up. And there we go. Sweet. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. It actually makes me think a little bit more because those are the vent thing. These are those vent triggers. Though I hate those freaking guys where I have to cut their freaking thing, but whatever. Also, I want to kind of play older levels just with my scythe to see what happens when I go through it like that. All right, I might try 5 minutes. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord.